Edith again. What a great day today. Spring is finally here. So as you know, Concord Park Place, there's a 8-acre park right inside our community. There's also a lot of different themed gardens within all of our projects, as in Seasons and also Saisons. But today, we actually took about a 7-minute drive towards Lawrence and Leslie here to the Toronto Botanical Garden, also known as Edwards Gardens. So let's take a tour. So here's a map of the Toronto Botanical Gardens. It's looking like there is 15 gardens altogether. So every garden has a different theme, different learning paths. I think it's going to be a great day to learn a lot of stuff. Well, as soon as I saw this maze, an inspiration came to mind, and it reminds me a lot of our French garden in our Saisons project. Wow, looks like I found a little surprise. You don't need to go to Hamilton to see the waterfalls, because it's right here. So Edwards Garden is actually one of the several parks that's right next to the Toronto's ravines. And of course, it also serves as a backyard to the bridle path. So the great thing about the Toronto Botanical Gardens is that it's open all year round, 365 days a year. You can come here anytime and enjoy all the different types of flowers that you'll see. There are also classes, and you can actually join their membership to learn more about, doing gardening and also the horticulture. So here again, it's Edith. I'll see you next time.